Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. There must be something, I know you're all thinking, XRP. Tell me that's bullish at this moment if you want. The market is about to crash. You know we like to keep you updated on important XRP news, and Trump is destroying the economy, but there are other things happening as well. We shall refrain from discussing exorbitant costs. We will discuss the current events in detail, so that you are well informed about this market's most recent developments. Please subscribe and hit that like button to stay up to date on all things cryptocurrency, including reviews, news, meme coins, and XRP in particular. Okay, then, I'll start this video. Will next week be a major event, or just another garbage fire? Donald Trump, speaking earlier from Air Force One, expected a strong week, and not just for the economy, with that. Only time will tell. More reports on CPI and PPI and more. However, RLUSD has growth potential due to the demand for stable currencies, the increase in regulation surrounding USDT, and other factors. What is the meaning of our words? At last, the US government has clarified its stance on XRP and AROUSD as the two most important cryptocurrencies. Given our objective of bolstering the dollar on a worldwide scale following Trump's decision to ditch it and the subsequent market fall, this is crucial. The United States intends to employ stable coinage to keep the dollar dominant, according to Scott Better. At the Crypto Summit, he brought this up, indirectly, in my opinion, during his discussion of our USD. Brad Garlinghouse was the only issuer of a stable coin present at the time, in relation to XRP. This is a rather intriguing point, in my opinion. Look closely at his seat. He looked like he belonged at that government agencies, or the government's kind of table. In my opinion, this is crucial. For the time being, though, all we can do is speculate. The outcome will be determined by the passage of time. Personally, I see this as a bullish sentiment, putting more weight on the possibility of an ETF arriving in 2025, a market scenario with a 75% chance of success for Poly. Lots of individuals are still highly enthusiastic about XRP's current situation, despite all the market swings. You should also be prepared for the possibility that the SEX case will be dismissed this week. Personally, I'd bet big on that, would you agree? Let's speak about Blowfin for a bit before we get into some really interesting stuff happening, especially with the AMM's exchanges and swaps. Here are some new exchange partners that we've teamed up with. If you sign up with them, you'll get a huge discount. Know Your Customer, KYC, is required to use the link in the description, and you can earn a $250 voucher for each deposit you make. Up to March 14th, the first 200 people who click on the link will get 50% of their money refunded. Once again, there is no Know Your Customer, KYC, requirement, and you are free to trade cryptocurrencies as you like, especially when you consider the 50% cash back offer. Their interaction is fantastic. Simple to use. The user interface is quite intuitive, and that cashback is a huge plus. If you want to know who today's video sponsor is, Fin, you can see their link in the description below. Several important things are happening on this chart, which we will now discuss. This chart needs to be moved, please. This is the Binance-specific deposit transaction. You may recall that I mentioned XRP's impending delisting from exchanges earlier. You might have overheard some folks mentioning that, well, XRP is selling off from exchanges, and that whales are purchasing it. But listen, the truth is that it isn't going anywhere. And I really believe it's important for you all to grasp that. No one will be the first to tell you that we're heading space. You will hear from everyone that XRP is going to be huge soon. First, let's address the facts. Nothing has happened with the return of XRP to exchanges in the past few weeks. Look over the past 3 or 4 days if you like. The truth is that the number of transactions involving deposits is still falling. There is no evidence of it. Even though its price has dropped, XRP is not making a return to the market. The issue then becomes, where is this selling pressure coming from, in light of this reality? Segregation in the workplace. Perhaps it's an attempt by the market to crash. This is fascinating. However, we are aware that net deposits are not occurring. Go all out on the birds. There has been a noticeable uptick in the amount of swaps on the AMM, specifically on the XRPL. This is crucial because it adds funds and fees to the ledger. With the expansion of this market, it is clear that this is also growing. We know the XRPL is rising, which is one of the things I think is crucial to mention here. There will be less need for the escrow if fees are being produced from the XRP, which is wonderful for financial markets and financial adoption. Fundamentally, this promotes XRP. The number of swaps has increased, and there has been a decrease in the amount of XRP transmitted to exchanges. Therefore, it is safe to infer that activity is on the rise, particularly around AMMs. I am quite bullish on all of these news items since they are so positive. Look at the week ahead if you want to know what's happening in the market right now. It has been a challenging week for us thus far, but a new week begins today. So, what's in store for us? Will there be another promotion? Is it possible that we may witness a weekly move that re-enters this trend line? It will be revealed in due course. Without a doubt, we intend to maintain a close watch on it. Seeing my video is an honor. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.